Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix standard notes not syncing step by step. If your notes aren't updating across your devices, the issue is usually caused by a network problem, an account mismatch, or an outdated version of the app. So let's get started. First, check that all of your devices are connected to a stable internet connection. Open a website or another online app to confirm your connection is working properly. If necessary, reconnect to Wi-Fi or switch to a different network before trying again. Next, make sure you're signed in to the same Standard Notes account on every device. Yeah, even one incorrect email address can prevent your notes from syncing correctly across your devices. Now wait a few moments for synchronization to complete, then manually refresh the app or restart it. I mean, closing and reopening Standard Notes often triggers a new sync request and resolves temporary synchronization delays. If the problem continues, update Standard Notes to the latest version from the official website or your device's app store. Running the latest version helps eliminate bugs and improves compatibility between devices and the sync service. You should also check for any sync or account-related error messages in the app. If everything looks correct, sign out of Standard Notes and sign back in with your account. Before doing this, make sure any recent changes have already been synchronized to avoid losing unsynced edits. Finally, if syncing still doesn't work, verify that your device's date and time are set correctly. Then contact Standard Notes support if the issue persists after completing these troubleshooting steps. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Standard Notes not syncing and keep your encrypted notes updated across all of your devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.